In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate a domain in GoDaddy step by step so you know exactly what to expect and what each part means. By the end, your domain should be fully verified and ready to use, and you'll understand what that pending verification message is really about. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account and head over to your domain portfolio. This is the central place where all your domains are listed. If you're already logged in, you can usually get there from the main dashboard by looking for a section labeled Domains or My Products, then choosing the option that takes you into your domain list. Once you're in the domain portfolio, you should see a table that lists each domain you own, along with various details about its status and settings. Now focus on the status column. This column tells you what's going on with each domain at a glance. You might see statuses like active, expired, or pending verification. For a newly purchased domain, especially if it's associated with new contact information, pending verification is very common and simply means GoDaddy is waiting for you to confirm your email address or ownership details. Find the domain you want to activate and check what it says under status. If it shows pending verification, that means the domain isn't fully activated yet and may not function properly until you complete this step. To move things forward, click the option that says Send Confirmation Email. This tells GoDaddy to send a verification message to the email address associated with your domain's contact information. After you click Send Confirmation Email, go to your email inbox, make sure you check the address you used for your domain registration, and don't forget to look in your spam or junk folder just in case the message was filtered there. Open the email from GoDaddy and look for a verification or confirmation link. When you click that link, you're confirming that the contact information is valid and that you have access to that email account. Once you've clicked the verification link in the email, GoDaddy will start processing your confirmation. Your domain won't switch instantly in every case, so give it some time. According to GoDaddy, your domain should move from pending verification to verified status within about 24 hours. You can check back in your domain portfolio later to confirm the change. When you see the status change to verified, that means the verification step is complete and your domain is considered fully activated from GoDaddy's side. That's all you need to do. Log into your domain portfolio, check the status column, send the confirmation email if it's pending, and verify through the link you receive. Once it shows as verified, your domain is activated and ready for whatever you plan to do next.